Hey everyone, and welcome back. We are going to be talking about what makes a candidate stand out, because I know everyone is wondering about that. The truth is, attention to the craft is number one. You can tell this right from the beginning. They have each honed their craft from the bottom up, whether having gone through a traditional academic program or online courses or being self taught. You can definitely tell. Another thing that sets people apart is that tenure only matters a little bit. There are a lot of different stages of their careers, some newly minted and others seasoned veterans. But the thing is, they all continue to learn, grow, push the envelope, document, and share their genuine experiences. People who are transparent like that and they're always looking to learn and grow are definitely setting themselves apart from others. I think the next one that is definitely something that sets others apart are the diverse backgrounds that they have because they make for some unique skill sets. They each hail from different backgrounds, most likely, and sometimes even from a non design industry or non developer industry. They usually come from another industry that is possibly adjacent, but it really does help to inform who they are and what they work on as the profession they're trying to break into. I see this a lot as designers maybe moving to development or vice versa, marketing going into design. It really allows for that nice, diverse background. Here's another one: passion. The evolution is apparent in their work. You can tell they are passionate about the problems they solve and they find joy in connecting with the users they serve. Transparent and communicative. They are definitely transparent about their processes, thoughtful in their communication about it, and they're not afraid to show what they've worked on and what worked and what didn't. That's the number one thing when working in teams. You need to be able to show your work, share it with your team, and even if it is considered bad, it's not necessarily bad. Like sharing with others allows for your team to get better, allows for you to get better as an individual. So keep that communication line open. And the last one I do want to talk about here is focus. They have focused portfolios that reveal their unique point of view. That means that when you go to their websites, you can see the work that they've been working on. It could be in a specific industry. It could be that they really do a great job of selling that narrative about their process. You can just tell, and we're going to get into how some others do that really well in later lectures.